Secretary Srimati Bhadra Shah, heads of different sections, parents, grandparents, teaching and non-teaching staff, my dear students, and all my well-wishers. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I heartily welcome all of you to our annual day. It is with immense pride that we gather here today to witness the incredible achievements of our dear students. They all have worked hard throughout the year, showcasing their talents in academics, sports and arts. This year, we have selected Pancha Mahabhutam as the theme for our annual day. I am glad to inform you that our students have also done a class project on this topic, which has enabled them to understand about the 5 tattvas that govern our lives and the universe. The unit Panchabhutam has also taught our students the importance of practicing sustainability and minimalism and the need to find solutions to environmental issues, as well as how as students they can also play a vital role in protecting the environment in their own small ways. Parents, we have been following activity-based learning right from the inception of the school 38 years ago. This method helps our students to develop critical thinking, problem solving and communication skills and get an enhanced learning experience. This year, 2 inter-school events were held at ward level for all the 25 schools of NWARD, Ghatkoper schools, English medium schools, and I am proud of our student, Miss Pehel Arun Joshi, who secured first prize in inter-school collage competition based on the theme nature, wherein she competed with 24 other students. It was a tough competition and she stood out among the rest. We are very proud of you, dear Pehel. Our students have also participated in the different competitive examinations held by various organizations. So Trishu Haresh Chamaria from Standard 1 has secured top rank in spell bee competition at inter-school level. He also passed the state level competition and national level spell bee competition with meritorious grade. Congratulations, dear Trishu. Naisha Rajesh Parekh from Standard 1 has been qualified for state level as well as national level in spell bee competition. Well done, dear Naisha. Prishita Raj Dedia from Standard 4 has won first prize in sub-junior category in the inter-school chess competition held at Pune Vidya School. So here we have a budding chess champion coming up. She also won the first prize in the under 9 category in chess tournament, that is Khel Mahotsav, held by Mrs. Rakhi Jadhav, the well-known corporate and social worker of NWARD. This year also, our students have made commendable achievements in creative work in the Camlin Art Competition held by Camlin Company. So Tattva Hardik Shah from 3rd F has secured second prize at zonal level and at national level he won first prize. So competed with various entries from all around the country. Congratulations, dear Tattva, keep it up. Pehel Arun Jain has also won first prize at zonal level from Camlin. So well done. I am happy to say that 2 of our teachers, Miss Anita Rana and Mrs. Paramjit Kaur, have won prizes for educational video making competition. This was the competition held for making educational videos and teachers from all over the state participated. It was held by State Council of Educational Research and Training, SCERT. I also congratulate and appreciate the entire team of teachers. It was not a one-man job, so other teachers helped her, assisted her. So the prize is a joint effort by all of them. So congratulating all the Standard 1 and 4 teachers of last academic year who assisted in the video making. In order to keep up pace with the emerging trends in technology, EroboKid conducts coding classes as an after-school program for our students, and a lot of our students from grade 1 to 4 attend these classes every Friday after school. Today, 437 students will be performing on the stage. A huge number, and the teachers and the choreographers have done a marvelous job, I must say. So please encourage them throughout the program. I take this opportunity to thank the management, all the management committee members, for their enduring support and encouragement at all times. For any problem, they are always ready, a phone call away. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support and cooperation. Special thanks to my teaching and non-teaching staff for the undying support and enthusiasm at all times. I thank the very talented choreographers Avisha Shah, Bhavisha Doshi, Khyati Shah and Varsha Shah for the lovely choreography, and also all my teachers who have made this program possible. Thanks to Dr. Yash Mehta from Neon Dresses Tilak Nagar for providing such beautiful and lovely costumes to our students. I thank you, dear parents, for your wonderful support and cooperation at all times. Today, our trustee and president, Srimati Manjula Bedshaw, could not attend the function. However, she has sent her good wishes and blessings. Today, we all miss the presence of our dear Sir, Lion Dr. Vaman Bhai Mehta, the Vice President of STDRS Trust, who left us all last month, 24th of January. I remember him as a great orator, social worker, and a visionary. And I must say, he was a great educationist also. He took a lot of interest in education. May his soul attain moksha. I'm sure his blessings are with us always. My humble pranam to Sir. Thank you, everyone. Please stay on till the end of the program. You will exit from the auditorium only after the national anthem. Your cooperation is very important, parents, for the success of today's program. And please cooperate with all our teacher volunteers there. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Research and training. Pune. Our teachers participated in the competition and have won the prizes. Congratulations, teachers. Now I call upon the winners of the competition, Mrs. Paramjit Kaur and her team, Uma Upadhyay, Shraddha Sawant, Khushbu Mehta, Jeelan Savla and Lakshmi Peryasamy, who secured second prize in Standard 1 and Standard 2 category. I now call upon Ms. Anita Rana and her team, Vandana Sabani, Rupali Mhatre, Sunita Shela, Yasmin Shah and Preeti Sharma, who also secured second prize in Standard 3 to 5th category to receive their prizes. Congratulations to all the winners and thank you to everyone for making this year a truly memorable one. Let the celebrations begin. I am sure our students will rock. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Savla. I would like to call upon our respected Kantilal sir to address the audience.
Good morning, everyone. Our chief guest, Neena Gala, our principal, Mini Das, secondary principal, Meenal, pre-primary principal, Rachna, Gujarati principals, Hinaben Joshi and Bhavnaben, આવેલ બધા સજ્જનો તથા સન્નારીઓ તથા છોકરાઓ, આજે ઇનામ વિતરણની વિધિ થઈ ગઈ છે અને જેટલા છોકરાઓએ ઇનામ લીધો છે એ બધાને મારા તરફથી અભિનંદન આપું છું અને હજી પણ આગળ વધતા રહેશો એવી મારી ઈચ્છા છે. પેરેન્ટ્સને ખાસ ભલામણ કરવામાં આવે કે પોતાના છોકરાઓને હજી આગળ ભણાવો અને હજી જેટલું વધારે કરી શકે આપણા ભણવા ખાતર ભણીને બીજા ઘણા બધા આપણે ત્યાં પ્રોગ્રામો ચાલે છે. કોઈ બી પ્રોગ્રામમાં તમે છોકરાઓને એડ કરો. સ્પોર્ટ્સ છે અને બીજા ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિકના પ્રોગ્રામ ચાલે છે, બીજું કંઈ ચાલતું હશે, ડ્રોઈંગ છે, મ્યુઝિક છે, અને જ્યાં જ્યાં તમે એને એડ કરી શકો છો ત્યાં એડ કરાવો અને એને આગળ વધારતા રહો. આ તો 1 થી 4 ધોરણનું વાત છે. 5મા ધોરણની તમને બધા પ્રોગ્રામમાં ભાગ લેવાનું ચાન્સ મળશે. આજે જે છોકરાઓએ ગિફ્ટ લીધી છે અને ગઈકાલે બી એટલા જ છોકરાઓએ આપણે ગિફ્ટ આપી હતી, તો આ બધા ગિફ્ટ લેનારા છોકરાઓ હોશિયાર છે અને હજી પણ હોશિયાર થશે એવી મારી ઈચ્છા છે. બાકી અમારા મહેમાન આવ્યા છે આજે. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ બેન, તમે અહીંયા આવ્યા અમારા પ્રોગ્રામમાં અને ખાસ આમંત્રણ આપ્યું હતું એટલે એમનો આપણે લાભ લીધો છે અને પોતે નેચરોપેથિસ્ટ છે અને તેઓ પોતાની રીતે તમને કાંઈક નાનું મોટું સમજાવશે. જે બી એમનાથી સમજાવી શકાશે એ તમે સમજજો એવી મારી ઈચ્છા છે. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.
Thank you, sir, for encouraging and motivating us. I would like to call upon our chief guest to speak a few words. Please welcome Mrs. Neena Gala with a big round of applause.
Respected principal, all teachers, invited guests, parents and all lovely students. I express my gratitude to the organizers for inviting me on your annual day. It is my pleasure to be part of this program, especially since the subject and the theme is very close to my heart. Pancha Tattva, that is 5 elements, being water, fire, earth and air, space. I strongly feel that this subject is important and relevant, not for each of us, but for the entire world. Sincere appreciation for the person who has suggested this theme. The physical world outside is the combination of these 5 elements. When there is balance and harmony amongst this, the world appears very nice and beautiful. Whenever and wherever the delicate balance in between these 5 elements is disturbed, it occurs problems like global warming and heat and weather changes, etc. What are the basic reasons for this? And that is over and too much uses of plastic, pesticides, chemicals, diesel, petrols, and mainly the natural resources. When we use a lot, this imbalance creates in the nature.
The same way, our body is also made of this with the five element, Pancha Tattva. Let's understand what is the relationship of the five elements in our body as well. Bones are earth element, blood fluid is water element, air element mainly located in the lungs and all over the body. Fire element helps us in digesting food, generating and regulating energy. And the most important is space element that is spread in our whole body. When we born, God has given us a very nice body stored where in this body we have a fantastic vitality when we born. As we grow up, due to our wrong food habits and improper lifestyle, we start damaging our vitality. Fast food, processed food, cold drinks, mental tension, etc. harmful our body. Generally, whenever we feel ill, we always rely on medicine. Whereas in naturopathy, we treat illness with the help of this Pancha Tattva. To cure disease and restore the vitality, we use the treatment like soil therapy, water therapy, sun rays therapy, yoga pranayam, and balanced diet. Don't you all want to be a very smart, healthy, and fit and fine? Then you need to have, for the children especially, homemade food, lots of vegetables, fruits, milk, so that will help your health. And definitely this growing in vitality will help you in the study also. And the most important today's day is please minimize the uses of gadgets very less, because the rays itself is harmful for the body. Understanding and paying careful attention to our body will help you become healthy and smart. Friends, I pay my tribute to the founders of this glorious institution, to each one who has through their dedication and hard work served this temple of knowledge. Thank you for inviting me in your celebration. Thanks a lot.
We are deeply grateful to our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Kala, for sharing her invaluable insights and wisdom with us today. Your words have inspired us to strive for excellence. I now request all the dignitaries to take their seats in the auditorium. महाकवि तुलसीदास जी ने अपनी अमर रचना रामचरितमानस में कहा है, चितिजल पावक गगन समीरा, पंच रचित अति अधम शरीरा। अर्थात हमारा शरीर पृथ्वी, जल, अग्नि, आकाश और वायु इन 5 तत्वों से बना है। ये तत्व न केवल हमारे शरीर को बनाते हैं, बल्कि हमारे जीवन को भी आकार देते हैं। और जैसे कि सद्गुरु कहते हैं, अगर आप अपने भीतर के 5 महाभूतों पर थोड़ा भी अधिकार प्राप्त कर ले, तो जीवन आपका आपकी इच्छा के अनुसार होगा। Let us dwell into the mystical world of Panch Mahabhutam and uncover the secrets of mastering the elements within to create the life we desire.
ओह, आज ब्रह्मदेव स्वयं धरती पर। प्रणाम ब्रह्मदेव, हमने आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है।
चिरंजीवी भव। मैं इस ब्रह्मांड का रचयिता हूँ। क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ पूछना चाहते हो?
हाँ भगवान, मैं पंच महाभूतों के बारे में जानना चाहता हूँ। ओह, ब्रह्मदेव तो अंतर ध्यान हो गए।
मंश, मैं पंच महाभूतों के बारे में कुछ जानती हूँ। यह ब्रह्मांड के मूल 5 तत्व है: पृथ्वी, जल, अग्नि, वायु और आकाश। हमारा ब्रह्मांड पृथ्वी, जीव जंतु, प्राणी और मनुष्य सभी का निर्माण इन्हीं पंचभूतों से हुआ है। इन पंच महाभूतों को भगवान शिव तथा आदि शक्ति ने मिलकर बनाया था। हमारी समस्त सृष्टि इन पंच महाभूतों के माध्यम से प्रकट हुई है।
पृथ्वी जलम तेजश्च वायुश्चक्षमेवश्च पंचतत्वानि भूतानि तेषां मध्ये न तिष्ठति।
अर्थात पृथ्वी, जल, अग्नि, वायु और आकाश, यह पंच तत्व सभी जीवों के शरीर में विद्यमान है। इन पंच महाभूतों के बीच में हमारा अस्तित्व है।
According to Hinduism, Panchamahabhutas are the basis of all cosmic creation. In Ayurveda, the human body is considered to be made up of these 5 elements. The Vedas have also described the importance of the Panchamahabhutas. They are the building blocks of the universe and the basis of all life on earth. They are essential in various aspects of life and spirituality. तो आइए हमारे आज की कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत हम इन्हीं पंच महाभूतों की आराधना से करते हैं।
श्री पंचभूताय शांति श्री गणेशाय नमः। वसुंधराय विद्महे भूतगात्राय धीमहि
देवता तृप्तिकाराय अग्निभूताय शान्तये ज्वालरूपाय देवाय यज्ञसम्पूर्णप्राप्तये देवता तृप्तिकाराय अग्निभूताय शान्तये अम्लवासाय विद्महे उग्ररूपाय धीमहि तन्नो वायु प्रचोदयात् तन्नो वायु प्रचोदयात् धीमहनुम जन्मकार श्वासप्राणा अपानाय बुद्धिभाव समानाय वायुभूताय शान्तये धीमहनुम जन्मकार श्वासप्राण अपानाय बुद्धिभाव समानाय वायुभूताय शान्तये आकाशाय च विद्महे नीलवर्णाय धीमहि तन्नो गगन प्रचोदयात् तन्नो गगन प्रचोदयात् नीलवर्णाव्यापिताय सृष्टिपितृस्वरूपये सूर्यचन्द्रग्रहगमनाय गगनभूताय शान्तये नीलवर्णाव्यापिताय सृष्टिपितृस्वरूपये सूर्यचन्द्रग्रहगमनाय गगनभूताय शान्तये ॐ शान्ति
शान्ति
भुव शान्ति
शान्ति
अग्नि शान्ति
अग्निशान्ति
वायु शान्ति
वायुशान्ति
वरुण शान्ति
वरुणशान्ति
सूर्य शान्ति
सूर्यशान्ति
चन्द्र शान्ति
चन्द्रशान्ति
सप्त ऋषि शान्ति
सप्तऋषिशान्ति
नक्षत्र शान्ति
नक्षत्रशान्ति
नवग्रह शान्ति
नवग्रहशान्ति
अंतरिक्ष शान्ति
अन्तरिक्षशान्ति
बृहस्पति शान्ति
बृहस्पतिशान्ति
इंद्र शान्ति
इन्द्रशान्ति
यक्ष गन्धर्व शान्ति
यक्षगन्धर्वशान्ति
वास्तु शान्ति
वास्तुशान्ति
पर्वत शान्ति
पर्वतशान्ति
वृक्ष शान्ति
वृक्षशान्ति
मार्ग शान्ति
मार्गशान्ति
स्थान शान्ति
स्थानशान्ति
अपमृत्यु शान्ति
अपमृत्युशान्ति
Of indeed a lovely performance, a perfect blend of cosmic gifts and divine music.
प्रणाम, मैं पृथ्वी हूँ जो आपको स्थिरता और मजबूती प्रदान करती हूँ।
नमस्कार, मैं जल हूँ जो आपको पीने और स्नान करने के लिए आवश्यक है। नमस्कार, मैं अग्नि हूँ जो आपको ऊर्जा और गर्मी प्रदान करती हूँ।
नमस्कार, मैं वायु हूँ जो आपको सांस लेने के लिए आवश्यक है।
नमस्कार, मैं आकाश हूँ जो आपको अंतरिक्ष और विस्तार प्रदान करता हूँ। तो चलिए हमारी अगली प्रस्तुति देखते हैं।
क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है। क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है। कैसी है ये अनहोनी हर आँख हुई रंग, छोड़ गया जो तू कैसे जिएंगे हम। तू ही किनारा, तू ही सहारा, तू जग सारा, तू ही हमारा सूरज, तू ही तारा। जय जयकारा, जय जयकारा, स्वामी देना साथ हमारा। जय
What truly mesmerizing performance! धरती हमारी माँ के समान है, यह केवल देती है, बदले में कुछ नहीं लेती। हमारा आधार पृथ्वी पर ही है, यह हमें पूरा प्यार और स्नेह देती है।
Biodiversity is the variety of life on earth. It is important for our well-being because it supports life on earth. So now, let's enjoy a vibrant performance which is a wonderful blend of grace and energy. What a captivating performance! It stole our hearts and attention. Among the 5 elements, fire holds the smallest proportion, but its influence is tremendous. The sun is a huge ball of fire that fuels life on this planet. Without the fire burning within us, there is no life.
अग्नि हमारे जीवन में ऊर्जा प्रदान करती है, इसलिए अग्नि हमारे लिए आवश्यक है, लेकिन इसका संतुलन बनाए रखना भी जरूरी है। So, what are we waiting for? Let us set the stage on fire with our next enthralling performance.
And from a single spark, a speck of light will grow the flame which burns within my heart. Higher and higher it will burn, and I will carry to you this wondrous light in the palm of my hand, where the fire will start.
माहौल कितना गर्म हो गया है। वाह, क्या अद्भुत प्रदर्शन था। About 70% of water is present in the human body, just as 3/4 of the earth is filled with water. That is why it is said that we can survive for a few days without food, but not without water.
The waves of the water are about to crash on a stage. So get ready to be swept away by the beauty and the elegance of a dancer.
फुलवून जाते सहवास तुझा मधुमास फुलाचा गंध सुखाचा हाती चिंब भिजले रूप सजले रजनी आले रंग प्रीतीचे चिंब भिजले रूप सजले रजनी आले रंग प्रीतीचे
O rivers, you must flow.
सूख रहा है जल बिन जलना है कल सूख रहा है जल बिन जलना है कल कैसे तेरा कर्ज चुकाएंगे नदियां मिलके तुझको बचाएंगे ओ नदी हाँ नदी हो नदी नदिया ओ नदी हाँ नदी हो नदी नदिया ओ नदी हाँ नदी हो नदी नदिया ओ नदी हाँ नदी हो नदी नदिया
Our talented dancers have truly made us splash with their mesmerizing performance. Bravo, Jal dancers, bravo!
आकाश की ऊंचाइयों को छूना चाहता हूँ
वाह 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 वाह!
पर मेरे पैर जमीन पर ही टिके रहते हैं। चलो फिर आकाश की सैर करने का सपना देखता हूँ, क्योंकि वहाँ बिना पंख के भी उड़ने का मजा आता है।
क्या बात है, बहुत खूब! So get ready to soar the new heights as our dancers take you on a journey to the infinite night expanse of the sky. dancers have safely returned to the earth after taking us on a thrilling journey through the sky.
Air is essential for the survival of all living beings, representing the breath of life. Air represents the connection between all living beings. It signifies freedom, liberation, and spiritual growth.
Now get ready to be blown away by the gentle breeze of Vayu. Our dancers will take you on a journey through the realm of air.
काला काला आसमां है, बादल भी मैला है, घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है। काला काला आसमां है, बादल भी मैला है, घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है। फैक्ट्री हो, केमिकल हो, चूल्हा हो या कार हो, पोल्यूशन की मार से बच्चे क्यों बीमार हो। थोड़ी हवा दे, ताज़ी हवा दे, थोड़ी हवा दे, ताज़ी हवा दे, थोड़ी हवा दे, ताज़ी हवा दे।
चले जैसे हवाएं सनन सनन, उड़े जैसे परिंदे गगन गगन, जाए तितलियां जैसे चमन चमन, घूमूं मैं भी मगन मगन। हे 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 वो, हे हे वो, मैं दीवानी दिल की रानी, गम से अनजानी, वो करती हूँ जो है ठानी। चले जैसे हवाएं सनन सनन, उड़े जैसे परिंदे गगन गगन।
What's up? Say what?
Feel the magic in the air. Living in my own air. Feel the magic in the air. Living in my own air.
Feel the magic in the air. Magic system. Everybody, shout to the air. Feel the magic in the Quando amici con le cale, quando ça va aller, on te met la glace à gogo, tous ensemble on fait le show. On t'invite à la magie, y'a pas de raccourci, oublie tes soucis, c'est bien faire la
Our dancers have left us breathless. They have blown us away with their performance. What a breathtaking performance. जल और अग्नि का संतुलन हमारे जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. The union of two opposing elements is now before us. By combining Jal and Agni, our dancers will take us on a journey to a new and unexplored world.
As Jal and Agni come together, let us witness the magical moment when fire and water unite, showcasing the harmony of the Panch Tattva.
ਜਦੋਂ ਅੰਬਰਾਂ ਬਰਸਿਆ ਪਾਣੀ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਆਈ ਅੰਬਰਾਂ ਬਰਸਿਆ ਪਾਣੀ से बूंद गिरा कोई चिंगारी का टुकड़ा चला कोई उम्मीद को आग लगा जरा जहरा की प्यास बुझा जरा उम्मीद को आग लगा जरा जहरा की प्यास बुझा जरा घन इतना बरस के गलने लगूं मैं पानी के ऊपर तरने लगूं बहने दे मुझे बहने दे मुझे बहने दे मुझे बहने सागर में जा गिरना है
the union of water and fire has stolen our hearts. So that next time you look up at the sky, remember that it's not just a beautiful backdrop for the world around you. It is a universal symbol that has the power to inspire and move us. Together, these 5 elements illustrate our beautiful composition of our bodies and the world around us. प्रकृति के हर पहलू में इन तत्वों की एकता दिखाई देती है, जहाँ एक तत्व दूसरे तत्व को पूरक बनाता है। यह पंच तत्व अलग अलग होते हुए भी एक दूसरे पर निर्भर है। यह सिखाते हैं कि विविधता में भी एकता संभव है और हर किसी की भूमिका महत्वपूर्ण है। इसीलिए तो कहते हैं, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो सेफ रहेंगे। So watch all the Indians coming from different states of India to make India a green and clean country.
can store, choking her throat. What a mess we have made to her glorious green dress. जीवन तंगुनी श्वासं നൽകിനി എൻ സ്നേഹദീപമേ ഭൂമിയേ. And light she shares to a bright new day. Let's thank Mother Earth this day.
What a fantastic celebration of unity and integrity.
The environment belongs to all living beings, so it needs to be protected by all for the welfare of all. Small changes like reducing waste, conserving energy, and planting trees can help to improve the quality of the Panch Mahabhuta.
Therefore, it is our utmost duty to maintain the harmony of the Pancha Mahabhutas, the 5 basic elements to maintain peace all around. Let us all begin a conscious effort to protect them.
सर्वमंगलम सर्वत्र सुख शांति की कामना करते हैं. सर्वमंगलम भूमि मंगलम वायु मंगलम अग्नि मंगलम.
भूमिमङ्गलम् उदकमङ्गलम् अग्निमङ्गलम् वायुमङ्गलम् गगनमङ्गलम् सूर्यमङ्गलम् चन्द्रमङ्गलम् जगत्मङ्गलम् जीवमङ्गलम् देहमङ्गलम् मनोमङ्गलम् आत्ममङ्गलं सर्वमङ्गलं भवतु भवतु भवतु
As we conclude on our Panchtattva program, let's take a moment to reflect on the 5 elements that make up our universe.
From the solidity of Prithvi to the fluidity of Jala, the effects of Tejas, the dynamism of Vayu to the expansiveness of Akash. Each element reminds us of the beauty and interconnectedness of our world. Let's work together to protect our planet, conserve our natural resources, and promote sustainability in all aspects of our lives. Thank you for joining us on this elemental journey through Panchtattva. We hope you enjoyed the performances as much as we did. Thank you for being a part of this journey.
रफ्तार से चल पड़ी जाते हुए राहों में हमसे अभी कह के गई
हमारा ये वक्त हमारा जो एक बार गया तो आईना दोबारा समझ लो जरा ये हवाओं का इशारा मेरे यारो अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो Every moment now we're having a blast singing oh oh living every day like it's your last singing oh oh living for today letting go of the past singing oh oh give it up everybody sing
हम सब जो साथ में रहे खुशियाँ सब हाथ में रहे हमसे बस फासले रहे हर तुरंत चाहे कहीं भी किसी भी मोड़ पर बिगड़ की कोई बात भी अगर मिलके एक दूजे से कहें
ये बातें ये छोटी मोटी बातें ये आए जाए जैसे कि दिन और रातें ना आंखों से लगाना कभी ये मेरे साथ मेरे यारों अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो letting go of the past, singing oh oh. Give it up, everybody sing oh oh.
दुनिया मतलब की यार है इसकी आदत बेकार है इससे कम रखना वास्ता तू अपनों से रखना दोस्ती इनसे ही पूरी हर कमी इनमें ही ढूंढ रास्ता तू
न जाना ये तूने न जाना ये मंजिल तेरी इन्हें है तुझे पाना है मैंने कहा जब वो सुन ले ज़माना मेरे यारों अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो
रफ्तार से चल पड़ी
So we just saw a little chaos, a touch of madness, and whole lot of magic. As we conclude this spectacular celebration of Panch Mahabhuta, let us ignite the spark within ourselves to protect and preserve the delicate balance of nature. May the earth's stability, water's serenity, fire's passion, air's freedom, and space vastness inspire us to become guardians of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this elemental journey. I now call upon Mrs. Vandana Sabani to express our sincere gratitude on behalf of the school.
Good afternoon, everyone. I feel deeply honored to have the opportunity to propose the vote of thanks. I would like to start by thanking our chief guest, Mrs. Neena Umesh Gala, for gracing this occasion. Despite her hectic schedule, ma'am, your presence has touched us because it conveyed your concern to us. I express my sincere gratitude to the management for their continuous support and motivation. Thank you so much for your encouragement, which has given us an impetus to put best foot forward. I would like to express my gratitude to our charming and kind headmistress, Mrs. Millie Das. She deserves a special thanks for her constant support and guidance. I express my sincere thanks to our evergreen, dynamic and enthusiastic teaching staff for their tireless work. My heartfelt thanks to the parents for their unwavering support, encouragement and cooperation. A special thanks to Dr. Yash Mehta from Neo Wonder Dresses for the wonderful and unique dresses. We thank Mrs. Charu Trivedi for teaching the beautiful Saraswati Vandana to our kids. Thank you, Charu teacher. The students enjoyed learning with you. Oh, how can I forget my dear little students? They really rock today and entertain all of us in a big way, don't you think? A sincere thanks to our sound and light engineers, Mr. Dharmendra Sound and their team. Our sincere thanks to non-teaching staff for a quick help. I express my heartfelt thanks to the photographers and auditorium staff for arrangement done today. A heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Neena Gala. Her presence has added a special glow to this function. I would like to conclude with this quote. आपकी दुआओं ने दिन को खुशनुमा बना दिया, खुल के जीने का उमंग दिल में जगा दिया। आपकी बधाई के लिए आप सभी की शुक्रिया. Please kindly stand, rise for the national anthem. Thank you.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे.